Greetings and welcome back to my channel. This is a quick story of 600XL diagnostic story that actually applies to all, well, 600 and XLs. So I have two of these, and they came from Bruce down south at B&C Computer Visions, and my buddy and I have replaced all the main chips, and we still got errors, and he's got a little code here that you type in. And if it freezes on that, then you got something wrong. That's why I added that to my new test suite of things to run. Anyways, I had just a hair up my butt, and I decided to put a new delay in there. And now they're not freezing up. So it was my understanding from a long time ago that if a delay was out, your system would not run. It would not boot at all. Nothing. But now, obviously, a bad delay is going to come and haunt you, and your system will randomly freeze up. Now, both of these 600XLs, we replaced all the main chips, as I said, and I even went back and reflowed the entire motherboard. I recapped everything but the caps in the video section, which I should probably do anyways, but I just figured that out because I got five XL delays from Atari parts, and they still have some. I'm gonna go ahead and get some more of those. So yeah, that was the key to getting these things up and running. And now it's just finding I'm just going through CPUs that I have and seeing what has errors and what doesn't. So yeah, and I found one good one, so at least I'll have one up and running here real soon. That needs a new keyboard mylar, and that got ordered today. So yay. Yay, yay. Anyway, yeah, yay, XL delay. Anyways, yeah, so God, those XL delays, man. And there's, just while we're here, another thing that will keep them from running are the 4050. You will actually, it'll still run with a bad 4050. I knew that because you'll get a black screen but sound out of it. And then this RCA 6-pin right here, that will keep the system from running as well too. Anyway, it looks like I got a working 600XL. I gotta put some video in it. Anyway, just a quick, I tore my hair out so long with these, and after working on a bunch of 7800s, I'm fresh back into it, and you come back to a problem later and you have fresh ideas, and well, there it is. So I'll do the freeze test on this. The other one passed. But neither of them passed this test before. So that's a step in the right direction. Anyways, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video when I find something interesting to share with you. Anyways, have a good one, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.